So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Adhil Reddy, and today I'm going to review about Realme X50 Pro, and I have been unboxed this phone and I have posted a video yesterday, so kindly check it out. And before going to review, I want to say about one thing guys. Please wear mask, sanitize yourself and be careful because the situation is very horrible outside. So let's jump into review and let's get started. So guys, this is Realme X50 Pro, which I have been using since from 5 days. So I'll be talking about the processor. This phone has got Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G, and I got 6,80,000 plus attempt to score in this chipset. So the next point will be jumping into gaming. So gaming is absolutely amazing. You can find you can find super gaming experience in this phone. Not amazing, but it's super. And we'll just jump into the third point. It is Realme UI, which I've updated the things. It's a good UI because it's updated to Android 11, and it's good though. I've been it's my first experience of Android 11 in this Realme device X50 Pro, and it's good. We'll just jump into the fourth point. It is about the design. So on display at the back side, you will be getting matte finish of red rust, and it's AG technology. And at the front, you'll be having Gorilla Glass 5, and it's a good configuration. Like you will be having Gorilla Glass 5 at the top and the bottom also, and you'll be having aluminum case here. So I guess for a flagship phone, yeah, it's a minimum thing you require, like having aluminum and Gorilla Glass 5 on the top. So the fifth thing I'm going to discuss about, it has dual speaker, which it has Dolby Atmos and high res audio configuration, which it's amazing.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party.
Guys, actually to say, when I played the song, it was like too loud, and it's very good though. If I keep a phone in one room, I can hear the sound to the next room also. It's very good though. And we'll come into sixth point about the camera. So I'll be discussing the camera now. So guys, this is a short review of camera in which I've taken pictures and videos in Realme X50 Pro 5G. So let's get started with one picture. So guys, this is the first picture which I've taken with primary camera, which we have 64 megapixel, and the details are amazing. And we'll see the second picture now, and then second picture also the details are amazing. And I have taken bunch of pictures, like 3 to 4 pictures in primary camera. Details are amazing. If you zoom in also, there will be no loss of detail. So we'll see some of ultra wide shots, which we have ultra wide 8 megapixel camera, and it's very good, and the details are amazing. So guys, now we'll see some of the telephoto lens pictures. This is 0.5x, and now it's 2x, which we can see it. We can see the details clearly, and now it's 5x. Even though now also we can see it's 10x now, and we can also details are good. But in 20 we can see some details are a little bit odd. But it's good because we'll not use 20x every time. So it's a good telephoto lens, which we have a 12 megapixel of telephoto lens. Now we'll see a video which we can understand how the telephoto lens is good compared to other brands. So I guess you people got to know how the telephoto lens is working good. Even though subject is very far, we can see the house very clearly. And now I have taken some video using primary lens at 1080p 60 resolution. Actually, it can go to 4K 60. So I have recorded in 1080p 60 with stabilization. Now we'll see it, and now we'll see ultra wide video. Now ultra wide video, the maximum resolution is 1080p with 60, and we can get ultra max stabilization as you are seeing it the video right now. It's good, but sometimes we'll feel the colors are dull compared to primary, but it's good for your usage. So we can manage it. I'll be bringing up another review video on camera. So now we'll talk about the battery life of this phone. So guys, actually I have used this phone for 6 hours, like full 100% charge. So like a heavy, you can use up to 6 hours, and if you for daily basis, the battery can easily help you throughout the day, so no issues. And we have a 65 wattage of superchargers, so no problem. Plug it within half an hour or 35 minutes, you'll get full charge, and you can use it to the whole day, and you can enjoy it by the battery life is very good. Actually, to say, this phone has a 4200 mAh battery, so it can help you throughout the day, so no issues. So here it comes at the final point about the display. Why I kept the display at the last point? Because guys, first of all, the display is good. It's good, but the thing is that every time you'll be changing a color change. I don't know, it's an issue with an display or else an issue with an software, I don't know, but every time the colors have been changing, like warm to cold, cold to warm, according, I don't know how it happening, but I have tried many times. I've off all the auto like auto brightness, auto color thing, it is in Realme settings. So I've changed everything, but I don't know why the color has been shifting from warm to the thing. But to say, it's a good phone. And as I said, it has fingerprint display, in fingerprint display. So yeah, it's a good phone. So thank you guys. Like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you should bring that bell icon on, and you'll be not missing my all new content. So signing off, Adhil Reddy.